there are two cultures here, both of them to be explored, and I think to get the most out of the city, I definitely think it's worth it, because we've had such a lovely experience.
We really have.
You know, thanks to the language, I think it's opened quite a few doors, and I think, yeah, the city becomes so much more once you have access to kind of all the different parts of the culture here. Yeah. I was already interested in Spanish culture, and finding out that there was a language that existed in conjunction with Spanish, I found that very fascinating, because we don't have a similar situation really in England.
And it's not just about communicating a language, it was also about really getting to know a culture and understanding someone else's point of view and seeing the world in a different way. And for me, Catalan is a really beautiful language, and if the language is beautiful for me, then it's a lot easier to learn it. And I think when the culture of the language is lively and really welcoming as well, and open, that really helps you want to learn the language more. So yeah, that's how we started to learn Catalan. Soc la Tavi, soc de Bristol i estic fent pràctiques aquí al Llull. Soc una estudiant de Cambridge i estic fent, estudio llengües, com en Zach també.
Sí, jo soc de Londres, jo també estudio a la Universitat de Cambridge, estudio castellà i rus, estic fent unes pràctiques aquí en una agència literària i estaré a Catalunya fins a gener.
Crec que la primera vegada que ens vam conèixer va ser en una classe de català. No me'n recordo exactament com era la primera classe.
Jo tampoc, però sé que el primer que vaig notar de tu era la teva habilitat de parlar català. Em vaig quedar molt impressionat, la veritat.
Però tu també, parlaves molt bé.
Gràcies. Tothom que jo coneixia, que havia anat a Barcelona, no parava de dir-me que valia la pena, que era una ciutat collonuda i que simplement havia d'anar-hi a viure, havia de visitar-la. Estava com molt il·lusionat per venir aquí, però no he estat decebut. Estic encantat amb tot el que he vist a Barcelona. Abans de començar les classes de català, jo era molt fan de la sèrie de TV3 Marley, per tant, sí, vaig aprendre una mica de català amb l'ajuda d'aquesta sèrie.
I també escoltant cançons de xarango, oi que sí?
Sí, perquè en la sèrie posen cançons i música catalana contemporània, per tant, gràcies a aquesta sèrie anava coneixent grups, bandes diferents com xarango.
Jo crec que ets l'única persona que conec que ha après una llengua sencera mirant una sèrie de televisió. Això és genial. I have to say, I've never felt like a foreigner here, because as soon as you start speaking Catalan,
you become an honorary
Catalan. Exactly, that's exactly it. No esperava que la gent sigui tan oberta i tan... No sé si has vist això, Zach, però cada persona que conec és com obre la seva vida, no? I em vol ensenyar coses de la seva cultura i em vol que estigui bé aquí. La veritat és que no esperava que la gent sigui tan així, tan amable. I have a lovely work colleague who brought me some panellets to try, and they were really, really lovely. We don't have the same tradition in English, with lovely pine nuts around the outside, almonds. Oh, it was so good.
Traditions here are very strong, and one other thing I definitely want to mention is the tradition of the caganers for Christmas, which is a tradition I don't think you'll find anywhere else in the world. A caganer is a figure of a person defecating. They do them and they depict kind of various famous figures from around the world. And for Catalans, it's completely normal, it's part of their tradition, but obviously for a foreigner...
it's a big shock.
Yeah, it's a big shock, it's incredibly entertaining, but yeah.
I would absolutely recommend coming here to do your year abroad, because the opportunity is just fantastic. You will have great work experience, an opportunity to get to know firsthand an amazing culture. And as a city, Barcelona has everything. It has the sea, it has the mountains, it has so many cultural events going on. So I would say if you have the opportunity, you can't miss this one. Yeah.
One thing I would definitely recommend to people who come here is definitely, I would personally make a bit of an effort to try to learn some Catalan. I do think it's worth it.
Do it. Take the opportunity.